Well, we weathered the storm not too badly. So the totally trashed driveway has now been fixed. This has been my day-long project. Took the opportunity to do something that I've been really wanting to do with our dry creek bed, is adding some agave into the mix, and so I managed to get those planted today after I spent, I don't know, 2 or 3 hours sifting through what was lava rock, what was gravel, picking up the gravel, moving it up to the upper driveway, and then getting all of this sort of roughly back into shape. So as you can see, we had a bunch of agave kind of waiting in the wings for probably like 9 months now. It's just been sitting there. You can't kill it. It doesn't need water. But once it gets water, it's going to take off. I've got one little one hiding down in there. And then this was a big project, was getting this cakey agave out from the parent plant. This thing is going to get 6 feet tall and be the size of a Volkswagen. I will show you the actual mother plant that I very, very carefully dug it out of. These things are unbelievably spiky, and these are all the leaves I had to cut off to get it, so it was sitting down in here. But this is its parent plant, and those top 2 spikes are about a foot taller than me. So this thing is going to get formidable, and it's a very beautiful plant. There's a couple of other keikis down here that we might be able to pull out. I had to cut them way back just to get the one like perfect specimen out. So that's what I did, and so that'll be really cool. That's so out of a little bit of destruction. It wasn't really all that bad. As you can see, our lower driveway was pretty much unscathed. I thought it was gonna be a lot worse, but there's just a little bit of small amount of gravel movement, and then this was kind of a little bit like this already. So yeah, a lot of water went down there, as you can see in the old video. But yeah, so I think, and then maybe the next thing I might do is up here where we had the breach of the water. I'm gonna plant something. We kind of intended to sort of plant something in this little area here. You can see where the water came out. It started up here, came down. This has all been filled in now. You can see where the fresh stuff is. And vetiver grass, or maybe I'm thinking mother-in-law tongue would be actually a really cool thing to do here. Also doesn't need much water at all, so you would pretty much get it started and then it's good to go. I'm not sure what more we can do with this. I think a little bit of it is going to be the grading of the driveway and not being quite so sunken down in that area. That could solve some of the problem. It might just create a different problem. But yeah, so anyway, we survived the major storm pretty well, and then out of it, we got some cool stuff on top of that. So this is all back to normal, and it's going to be better than it was. So yeah, other than that, it continues to rain. I had to stop for a couple of hours because we got another squall that came through. But yeah, we're good. No major problems. Mahalo.